I recently discovered some lazy ways to make money online and generate passive incomes even as a complete beginner. In fact, I have already tried some of these methods myself, and I will show you my results as well. Starting with the first lazy method on our list, which is going to be this website right here called likeforlike.org. Basically, this website allows you to get social media engagement, such as comments, followers, likes, and other things. However, in order to get that, you must also exchange social media engagement with other users. To do this, you should go here and begin liking and commenting on other users' posts and images. As you can see, they support all major social media networks, including Facebook and Instagram. You receive likes and followers from real people. Now here's a special tip for you so that you don't even have to do this work yourself. This Like for Like bot is right here that you can install, and it will do all the work for you. This Like for Like bot will allow you to exchange likes for credits on your own social media accounts. Then, you can sell your account on one of these websites, such as fameswap.com, which is one of my favorites. Here, you can sell Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok accounts. As you can see, this account was just listed 3 hours ago for $100. This one was listed for $3,600. This one was listed for $250. And so on. You can sell your account here for a minimum of $100 now. Using YouTube Shorts and TikTok short videos for affiliate marketing is the next lazy method on our list. The easiest way to do this is to simply go to this website called clicknshort.com and, as it says here, generate viral content in seconds. That's exactly what we will be doing. You can easily generate YouTube Shorts and Reels with just a few clicks. I've actually tried this myself with just one single product on Digistore24, which is an affiliate platform, and made thousands of dollars. You can use that traffic to promote your affiliate offers for free by simply uploading a long-form YouTube video to this website, which will then convert it into a variety of YouTube Shorts that you can post to various social media sites like YouTube, Instagram, and others. The registration process is incredibly simple. Just click, try free, and enter your information. Now, before we go to the next section, let's take a quick look at how it works. Now let's move on to the third method. With this, you can create YouTube videos using AI tools. You don't have to reveal your identity. You can also use an avatar. Since I also use an AI voice for this channel, I frequently get inquiries along those lines. Some people also claim that using an AI voice makes it impossible to monetize videos. However, that is completely untrue. You just need to visit this website called scriptai.com. With just a few clicks, this website can help you create professional YouTube scripts. You can sign up for a free trial here. After you've created your script, the next step is to create an AI voiceover using that script. We'll be using 11labs.com for this, which will let you produce voiceovers that sound human. You can choose from a variety of voices by clicking here. When you want to download the audio, click this icon, and it will begin downloading. The final step here is editing our videos, and we will use lumen5.com, an automatic video editor, for that. Let's move on to method number 4 on our list, which involves using the freelance website peopleperhour.com. This is a platform where people offer their services and get paid for them, similar to Fiverr and Upwork, but I prefer the site because there is not much competition here. So now what's going on here is that we have people here who are willing to pay this person, for example, $50 to get their text edited. Method 5, rev.com, which is a different freelance website where you can do transcription work for other people and get paid, is the fifth way to make money online. Basically, people submit here audio files, videos, podcasts, and other content, including music, and your job is to transcribe that content into text. As you can see here, you will earn $1.50 per minute, so, for example, let's say you transcribe. Like I said, all you have to do is watch the video and then jot down everything it says. If you stick with me, however, I'll show you another tool that can do this job, so you don't even have to write the text yourself. As you can see here, the site is legitimate, and registering is as simple as scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking where it says, Become a member. The AI tool is called rhythmx.com, and you can simply click here where it says, Start Trial, to start converting audio files to text with just one click of a button. You can also edit it with ChatGPT to ensure that it has no mistakes and is 100% correct before you submit it to rev.com. They also have an unlimited number of jobs available for you to choose from. Thanks for tuning into this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future.